guys, this is Sancia Gonsalves, your faculty at Indian Institute of Commerce, Lakshya. A lot of students feel that Advanced Audit and Assurance, AAA, is one of the toughest papers to crack. The global pass percentage in the March 2024 attempt is 38%. What's the reason? Students fail to interpret the requirements asked in the question correctly. Also, out of the total students who fail the exam, more than 50% of the students have poor time management when it comes to writing the exam. So what are we doing differently at IIC Lakshya with which we have managed to get a 100% result in the March 2024 attempt? At Lakshya, we focus on conceptual understanding of each and every topic, followed by detailed timed question practice and understanding the requirements asked in the question correctly.